2016 Hyundai Accent. How to change a cabin filter. This is the filter right here. The part number on this is 3673. Should be changing this filter every 10,000 miles. All right, so what we're gonna do is, this filter is located behind this glove box. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this glove box, and then you have these two little tabs that turn. They're like a screw. One on the other side. Is that one missing?
Yeah.
All right, so one is missing, so it's supposed to be one on this side, one on that side. And after that, you're gonna have access to this tray inside. So you're gonna simply just push on the tabs on both ends, squeeze them, and pull off this cover, and then you can remove the cabin filter from inside. All right, there's the cabin filter, and we're gonna put the new cabin filter. Make sure you follow the directions. If there's an arrow, put it the same way. So we're gonna take this new cabin filter. We're gonna put this facing down. The arrow is gonna face down. The airflow is gonna be down. There you go. After that, you're gonna take this cover, the lid. You're gonna put the lid back on. Push it in, and it should clip right in. And once it's in, you can. Alright guys, we're gonna bring this back because we made a mistake on this cover right here. There's an arrow facing up. All right, so we're gonna flip the cabin filter. We're gonna put it the correct way. All right, we made a mistake there. So if you have a 2016 Hyundai Accent, just put that cabin filter facing up, the arrow up, and you're gonna close that lid. You're gonna push up this glove box, and you're gonna put this little retainer, this little screw looking retainer, clip that in. The other side is missing, and you're gonna close that glove box, and you're done. And that's how you change a cabin filter on a 2016 Hyundai Accent.